Guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I have a very easy and useful tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to enable notifications in your Firefox browser. So you want to go ahead and simply click on the Firefox browser on your computer, right? And in my case I had it here on my taskbar. However, if you don't, simply click on the Windows icon and you want to type Firefox, right? You'll be able to find it and you can click on it and open it. Now, once this is open, guys, click on the burger menu on the top right hand side, right? And you want to go to settings. Then you want to click on privacy and security on the left side, and you want to scroll down towards the middle where you have your permissions. Right now on the permissions, guys, you'll be able to find notifications here in the list, as you can see, and you want to click on the settings button there towards the right. And you want to ensure that this button here that says block new request asking to allow notifications, this is not checked. If this is checked, then it will block those notifications, right? So you want to ensure that this is unchecked, and all you have to do is save. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.